The sides of a triangle are 2, 3 and 4 units. Find the angle measure of the greatest angle. Okay, let us begin. Now as we can see here, the sides of the triangle 2, 3 and 4, they are not equal, which means that our triangle is going to be an oblique triangle. So let us construct a triangle. We have the shortest side, then we have the longest side, and then we have the side lying between the shortest and the middle. So here, according to the problem, let us consider the longest side. So here the longest side we are going to consider it to be of 4 units, the shortest side will be of 3 units, and the sides between them is going to be 3 units. Now let's name this. So here we're going to consider the shortest side to be A, denoted by A, the middle side to be denoted by B, and the longest side denoted by C. All of these are lowercase. Then we can also define the angle of the triangle. So here we will consider the side A. Now the angle that is opposite to the side A, we're going to denote it by A in uppercase. Similarly, we'll consider the angle that is opposite to the side B. We're going to denote it by B in uppercase as well. And then finally we have the remaining angle, which is going to be C in uppercase. So now we have the angle ABC, or we can say we have the triangle ABC whose sides are known. We need to determine the measure of the greatest angle. Now the angle that is opposite to the greatest side is going to be the greatest angle. Now clearly C, that is the greatest side, AB is the greatest side here, and the angle that is opposite to it is C. So in other words, our goal will be to find out the value of C, or the angle measure of C. Let us begin. So first let's note down whatever we have been provided with. So here we have A equals to 2. Then we have B that's equals to 3 and C equals to 4. Our goal will be to find out the angle measure of C. Okay, let us begin. So here what we can do, we can take the help of the law of cosines. Now taking the help of the law of cosines, here we can take cosine of the angle C. Since we want to find out angle C, we take cosine of angle C. So that is going to be equals to, now take the sides that are adjacent to the angle C. So those are CB and CA. That means the side A and B. So what we'll do, we're going to take this square and add them with each other. We have A squared plus B squared. And from the sum, we're going to subtract square of the side that is opposite to angle C, which is going to be C. So we have C squared divided by 2 times the product of the adjacent sides. That means A times B. Now all we have to do is substitute the value. So A, that is 2. So we have 2 squared added to B squared. So B squared, that is going to be 3 squared minus C. So C is going to be 4 squared whole divided by 2 times A times B. So that's 3. Okay, so now we have obtained cosine of angle C. Okay, so this comes out to be, so cosine of C comes out to be equals to, we get negative 1 over 4. Now what we've obtained here is cosine of the angle C, but we don't need cosine of that angle C. What we need here is the angle C. What we can do here is we can take the inverse cosine function on both sides, such that on the left hand side we have C, and on the right hand side we have cosine inverse of negative 1 over 4. Now we can plug this value into a calculator, and that is going to give us an angle 104.48 degrees. So that is going to be the angle measure of C. We can say therefore C comes out to be 104.48 degrees, or in other words, the angle measure of the greatest angle, that is going to be 104.48 degrees. That's the final answer.